Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home. So, my dear students, today we will revise chapter 2, that is 4-digit numbers. Previous chapter we have revised, that was totally related to previous class. It means class 2nd. Whatever we have studied in class 2nd, we have revised in chapter 1st. But today we will revise chapter 4th, chapter 2nd, 4-digit number. But very first we will see the solution of previous homework. So here you can see this is the solution of previous homework. In previous class I had given you question number 8, discover the pattern and write the missing number. In this question you had to find out the pattern, and after finding pattern you have had to fill these boxes. I hope you all have done your work, so please match your answers with this solution. Okay, and now I am going to start our today's chapter. Okay, so let's see. Today we will study chapter 2, that is 4-digit numbers. In previous chapter we have studied about 3-digit numbers, and in earlier videos we have already studied about 4-digit number. If you want to detail, so please go through the earlier video. Here once again we will revise about 4-digit number, how we can make 4-digit numbers. Okay, we have studied number up to 999. When we add 1 in 999, when we add 1 in 999, we get 1000. We get 1000, that is smallest 4-digit number. Here you can see in 1000 4 digits: ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So this is 1000 and smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, now we will see the place value of these numbers. Okay, so look here. If a single box represent ones, if a single box represent ones, so when we will combine 10 single boxes, means 10 ones. So we can say 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. मीन्स हम चाहे 10 वंस कहें या 1 टेंस, बोथ आर सेम. 10 वंस 1 टेंस के इक्वल होता है. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी कंबाइन 10 टेंस टुगेदर, दिस रो रिप्रेजेंट 1 टेंस, सेकंड 2 टेंस, 3 टेंस, 4 टेंस, 5 टेंस, 6 टेंस, 7 टेंस, 8 टेंस, 9 टेंस and 10 tens. So 10 tens is equal to 100. And similarly when we combine 10 hundreds together, we get 1000. We get, it means when we will combine 10 hundreds together, we get 1000, and we know 1000 is smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, now here I am showing you to 1000 in block. Okay, so let's see. Here you can see this single box represent 1000. And how we can read it? 1000. Here you can see in this box 10 hundreds together. So 10 hundreds means 1000. A single box represent 1000. How we can read it? We read as 1000, and in place value chart we can write it 1000. 0, 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100 place and 1 at 1000 place. So it means 1000. If you are 2 block, so it means 2000. And we read as 2000, and here we have to write 2000. Okay? If a single box represents 1000, so here 3 blocks. So tell me, here will be 3000. And how we can write 3000? 3000. Okay? Similarly, you have to solve it. Similarly, you have to count all these boxes and you have to fill here. You have to represent numbers in the place value chart. Okay, so now we will solve exercise 2a. In exercise 2a, question number first, write the numeral for each of the following. Means here is written in word 2000, and we have to write it in numbers. So how we can write it in numbers? So 2000, we can write 2000 like this, 2000. Okay, and just we have look it. So this is same. B 7000, so we can write 7000 this type. Okay, and you have to solve C, T, E and F. Question number second. Question number second, complete the tables. A, number of 1000, number of 100. Here is given 1000 and we have to write in 100. Means कि 1000 में कितने 100 होते हैं. So we know when we combine 10 hundreds together, we get 1000. We get 1000. So it means in 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 1000 में कितने 100 होते हैं? 10 hundreds. Okay. Similarly, in second is already filled 2000. So 2000 में कितने 100 होंगे? 20. In 2000 will be is equal to 20 100. 2 multiplied by 100. So here will be 20 100. यदि 1000 में 10 hundreds होते हैं तो 2000 में 20 hundreds होंगे. उसी तरह इन सी 3000 में कितने hundreds होंगे? 3000 में 30 hundreds होंगे. ओके, एंड इन 4000 में 40 hundreds. ओके, and here look here, B, number of 1000. It is also seen in 6000 6000. So here is written 700. So what we will fill here? How many thousand will be there in 1700? So here will be 7000 in 1700. Okay, and in 1800s in 8000 will be 80 hundreds. Okay, and if here is written 90 hundred, so it means here will be 9. In 900 is equal to 9, 90 hundred is equal to 9,000s. Okay. Question number third, write the missing numbers in the boxes. Means here is written 2000 and here is 5000. So what we can fill in these boxes? We have to fill these boxes in that way by which we can get 5000 at this place. So how we can fill it? Look here. Here is written 2000. Then we will write here 3000. Means we are adding 1000 in 2000. So we get 3000. Again we will add 1000 in 3000. So we get 4000. Next, when we add 1000 in 4000, so we get 5000. It means this is our right pattern. So here will be 6000. Next will be 7000 and last will be 8000. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out the pattern and fill these boxes. Okay. As in second B, here is written 3100 and in last you have to go to 3700. Okay, so you can fill here 3200, 3300, 3400, 3500, 3600 and last 3700. Okay, look at question number 4. Write each of the following in number form. So it is very easy because we can see it. In question is given in word form and we have to write it in number, and we have already solved this type of question in 3-digit numbers. It means in previous chapter. So it is very easy for us. Number first is 5200. So we can write 5200 like this, 5200. Number B, 8080. 8080. Okay. Similarly, you have to solve remaining question. Means C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay. And now you have to make your notes. You have to write 5 questions from each question in your notebook. Okay. So this is your homework. You have to solve remaining questions, along with you have to make your notes. Means क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में जो ये क्वेश्चन बचे हुए हैं उन्हें आपको सॉल्व करना है. क्वेश्चन 3 और क्वेश्चन 4 में से भी आपको बचे हुए क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. इसके साथ ही आपको अपने नोट्स भी तैयार करने हैं. आपको अपने नोट्स में पूरे क्वेश्चन मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 में से 5 क्वेश्चन आपको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. ओके, थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.